Are you too struggling with time management? Well, if you have clicked on this video, then for sure you are struggling. Now, November is going to start in 2 days, and you right now need an effective timetable for lighting up your life just like this candle. So, this is the timetable context that I created for you all. This timetable will not only help you to study 3 hours of self-study every day, but will also give you a proper tracking. So starting with the 3 division rule, this is basically the division of your all subjects into 3 groups. A easy one, which is easy to cover up the syllabus, a tough one that is very lengthy syllabus, and the third is mathematics. So one by one I'll tell you about all. Easy subject. Firstly, you should start with an easy subject to grab some confidence. It should be one of those subjects which is mostly neglected, such as Hindi grammar, English grammar, literature, English literature. We have play and mostly the optional subject which is neglected. The first hour of your study session, the self-study session, would be easy subject. The second subject you will opt to study is the tough one, which is not really tough, but rather it has lengthy syllabus and it is very highly conceptual subject. So you need to study at least one chapter for every hour a day. Like if you have the habit of completing one chapter every day, it will be very easy to cover up the syllabus in the upcoming 3 months. The tough subject is more of the physics, chemistry, biology, history, civics section, and easy is I already told you. Now we have the compulsory subject, which is mathematics. This subject consumes most of our time because the most basic way to learn mathematics is practice. Practice as much as questions you can. Try practicing 10 to 15 questions in the 1 hour you are giving it. Try practicing as much as you can and try to solve like one question in 4 to 5 minutes by writing all the steps. Like behave and pretend as if you are writing in your board's copy. A part of making a timetable, the most basic thing is to follow the timetable. Try sticking to the timetable. Always create a to-do list in the morning so that you have that group of things which you have to do. For the previous time, I had here this timetable which I created for you all. I had made 3 sections, and the 4th one is basically your homework section which you can use. You can do your backlogs also because they are biggest flaw in preparation. You can do them on Sunday because Sunday is free from the timetable and you can enjoy it also. Don't forget enjoying your life because board is just a phase. Stay consistent and you'll see that everything is very easy to do. And this one's for you. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.